I'm Roberto Fantauzzi. I'm the president of Lux Events. It's an Italian company that's an owner of the Balloon Museum. We are going all around the world with this incredible project. We like to define the Balloon Museum as an interactive art exhibition, and we get inspired by the hair, and we would like to communicate to the people that they can live the hair also in a really playful and artistic way. The project started in Rome in 2021, and maybe it's a great success. It was in Paris in the second edition, and we did more than 700,000 people in only 4 months. And then from Paris we went to Milan, then to Madrid, Napoli, London, and then a few months ago, in November, we started also our tournée in the US, starting from New York. And so this one is the eighth one. These ones are the first two art pieces. The octopus, it's really famous because it's from Filthy Luger. This is a US artist. And the pattern that you will find again inside, that it's the real life motif of our exhibition, is from an Italian artist that is called Camilla Falsini. On the path you will find maybe 18 artists, each one of them tailor-made artworks for us. It will be a path that is going on for 1 hour and a half. Really important for us to underline that, yes, even if it's a playful experience, our artists are really famous all around the world. They come from 12 different countries. They stood in really important museums, as is, for example, someone of them exposed in MoMA, New York, someone else in Biennale, Venezia. Also something more pop, like, for example, Noor in Jeddah, Burning Man. Someone of them won some awards in Burning Man. And so it's really important for us, this aspect. Yes, we are playful, but it's really contemporary art. As you can see, all the artworks, such of them are full of air, and they go around the space. For example, this artwork is really huge for us because it's a big ball made by pencil that you can draw the walls, and the artwork at the end of the exhibition are the walls with the painting that all the people that come, they made on the walls. Like a real artwork, like a picture. It was really nice to guest Emily in Paris during the exhibit in France. They came from us and told us that they have to do this part of the episode of Emily in Paris, and this moment for us it will be to define really important because 7 million people all around the world have seen the episode, and we received more than 500 emails every day. Are you on the Emily in Paris? Are you on Emily in Paris? And it was really huge for us to be guests of Emily in Paris. It is a motore fisico installation. They are Italian artists. And yes, it's another emblematic artwork for us because it's really playful for kids. When the kids use this artwork, they look like in a playground, but it's really important because it's another artwork that let the balls fly around the space. They feel the air, but without stopping any time. We are going to open the 17th of February, and we will go on until the 14th of April. And so it will be a really pleasure to stay here in Atlanta and to let a lot of people from Georgia come to visit us.